All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to take a look at MIOTA here. So IOTA, MIOTA. We have looked at this one before many times, but it's been a while. So from the high to the low here on the weekly chart, you can see the price to beat on the macro scale to have any kind of bullish momentum and shot to the upside. All this support here turned resistance, making these lower highs and lower lows. The bottom could be in here. I do not know. But ultimately, you need to break over the 25.7 mark here. So 25 and a half pennies pretty much at your 236 to have any kind of momentum on the macro scale up. That is about a 36% move to do that. And then ultimately your 382 here at 38 for a 100% move. So you could potentially spike up and think you're going to the moon on this thing and come all the way up about 100% and still be bearish and come right back down. So that is a possibility. I want you guys to be aware of that. But like I said, the bottom could be getting put in here. We do not really know. Nobody knows. Nobody has a crystal ball. So with that said, we're going to go over to the daily chart. We're going to get a read off of the nice move it is having now, which you can see like a lot of other things here. You are over the 200-day EMA. You're having these bullish crosses on the moving averages. It looks like we're having a bullish cross with the 100, or the 50 rather, going over the 100. So that is a good sign there. And just to keep it real simple, give you guys some prices to watch to see if this thing is going to stay bullish. Simply draw a fib from the low to the high. We are still above the 236 here. And like I said, to keep it simple, as long as you hold on to 18.8 for a 1% move down, you are extremely bullish for that push higher. And then your 382 here at 17.9, pretty much 18 pennies for a 6% drop here on MIOTA. So as long as you can hold either of those levels, you're still bullish. Any lower than the 382, you're probably going to take out the 200-day EMA, which is curled up, heading to that price level here. So if you take out the 18-cent range, then I would say more likely than not, your top is in, and you're going to end up doing something like this and coming right back down to some lower retracement levels here. So just for now, keep an eye on those prices. If you take those out, then you're in store for those lower prices, like I already said. You can see that the money flow index from this strong move up was going flat, indicating this is slowing down, and it's going down now. So it is showing us that the move up here has gotten very weak. Looking over at the Heikin-Ashi candles, of course, are printing green at the moment, so it is still trending up here. I would just simply say watch the support. If you're going to maintain this uptrend above the 200-day EMA, you need to stay over 18. If you're going to stay extremely bullish, you need to stay over pretty much 19 pennies here. You're at 19.1, and you're going to continue pushing higher. And of course, the price to beat is 20 here. And if you guys need a price to watch after the 20, which I would note that this high here back in September, you did break that high, so that's bullish in that respect. Let's zoom back just a little bit here, and let's see. You're at this high right now. I guess you did break that high too. So yeah, I would say a break back over the price here at 20. If you can hold on to these support levels at 20 and a half, we can simply draw a fib from this high back here that you broke and draw this here just to give a really simple price to watch here. It's going to be your 1618 at 216. Let me just go ahead and mark this with a line. And then we're going to mark your next one at your 2272 here at 24.7. And then we're going to simply get that off of the chart just so we can get some quick measurements. And it looks like that once, if you remain bullish, of course, if you can move back up to the top here at 20, that is a 7% move almost. The first and next stop would be 21.5 for a 13% move. And then you have about a 28%, 29% move all the way up to 24.5 pennies on MIOTA here. So hopefully that helped. Hopefully that made sense. If you need to, just rewind the video here and pause it. But those are your prices to watch. Good luck, everyone. Not financial advice, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.